am Optimus Prime.
Hi, today me and Ala, we have decided to describe you our experience about our Tesla Y model. We are driving it for almost 2 years already, and we have decided to show you all the cons and pros about our experience, if it's really worth to purchase a Tesla or not, comparing to any other cars that you have in the market. Initially, you have a card like this. Okay, it's like a regular, like a credit card that you can configure to use it in your phone. When you activate the Bluetooth functionality at your phone, so basically when you approach to the car, you can open it automatically, because once the car identifies that you are very close to the door or to the car itself, it's available for you to open the door and start using the car. Normally, when we want to go to our car and it's very hot outside or it's cold, so we just adjust from the application the interior at our desired temperature, so we can enjoy it at maximum when entering our car. Another pro feature that we like a lot is that when we are leaving our car and one of our kids or even us, we forget to close one of the windows. Once you leave the car, like within the first 30 seconds, more or less, the open window automatically closes. Another cool feature that we like a lot is that you can take your phone in a Tesla car and put it on a specific place, and it will be automatically charged via the NFC function. So any phone that has the NFC function can be charged on that place without having the phone to be connected. And we like it a lot because normally when we go on our kids tournament, we have to record some videos. So basically we need to make sure that our phones are always charged. So we just take it, put it there, and while we are driving or we are enjoying, probably doing something else, our phones are automatically charging. One of the functionality we also enjoy a lot is that, imagine that every time that Ala or me have to drive the car, so we need to adjust our seats and our steering wheel based on our physical requirements, right? So in the Tesla car, you have the option to set it one time for each person, for each driver that is driving the car, and you just need to come here to the screen, select the desired person or the desired driver who is going to drive the car. You just pick it up and everything is automatically adjusting. This is just amazing.
I like it a lot.
We haven't decided to choose Tesla only because it's green and it's sustainable, but as well because it's very cheap when you compare the price per kilometer, per driven kilometer. This car doesn't need so many mechanical pieces than a regular car uses. Engineering capability, there is a huge space that has been used, and both the driver and the passengers can take advantage of. Comparing to a regular car, an electrical car doesn't require a lot of maintenance. For example, you don't have to change the oils, the oil filters, even the braking plates. You don't have to change it so often, because the regenerative braking option that you have available at the electrical car doesn't use the plates itself, but instead it's charging the batteries while stopping. Because of the minimalistic interior design, there are not a lot of buttons that have been placed inside the car. And all the buttons and all the functionality, it's all combined in a single screen. It's like a tablet that you can use in front of the driver, and it is very intuitive, and there is a huge amount of functionalities that you can take advantage of to take care and manage all the things that you have at your car. When it's very cold outside, we have the options to make our seats warmer, and you can pick up, for example, the back seats, and you have three options of making it super warm, like a regular warm, or very light warm, or even disconnected for all the passengers in the back. And similar thing you can do for the person sitting in the front, like for the passenger in the front, you have on the left side, you have the option to adjust the warmth of the seat, and here on the left side you have the option for the driver. For the steering wheel, you can also enjoy to have it warm if you need it in a very cold conditions. I did it several times, and it's really amazing when your fingers are super cold. To open the back or the front trunk, obviously you can do it from the screen. So you just pick up which of the trunk you want to open, you click on it, and it will automatically showing you on the display how it's opening. There is a huge space in the back trunk, so you can even make it bigger if you need it. Here below there is an extra additional space that you can use. And what is very interesting, we have discovered that there is a secret space in the back. I'm going to show it to you quickly. We are also using it sometimes. So we just need to open here in the back, right? And here is like a wall charger that we are using, some utilities. And this is the space that we have in front. It's a large amount of space that you can use, but normally we don't use it a lot because I don't like to use the front trunk because of the aluminum type of opening trunk that we have here. One of the real cons that we have identified is that every time when you want to charge your car, obviously when you are going to a public charging point, you will need to spend some time depending if that charging point is a fast charger or no. In our case, because we have to charge it in our parking, obviously we are spending very few time because we just leave it plugged in during the night time, and on the next day you just pick it up fully charged. We were thinking with Allah about some other cons, and to be honest, it's very difficult to find them. The car is really amazing. So if you are choosing between purchasing a regular car or an electric car, and in our case, we are talking about Tesla, that we are very satisfied. I really recommend you to choose a Tesla. Please trust me, it's a life changer purchasing an electrical car. If you really liked our video and we were able to convince you to make this amazing purchase, you can subscribe to our channel, like this video, and even share it with your friends who for sure will enjoy a lot when purchasing their favorite car.